In this video, we are talking about the aspects of replacing sweeping vinyl door bottoms. Before we can identify and replace our door sweep, we need to get the door off its hinges so we can access the bottom of it. Gently tap the hinge pins up and out of the hinges, and carefully lift the door off of its frame. Once you've removed the door from the frame, you need to place it flat on a sturdy surface. There are 5 different types of door bottoms: wraparound, L-shaped, flat staple-on, slide-in, and snap-in. Each of these is removed and installed differently, so we are going to briefly go over each one. The U-shaped wraparound door sweep easily installs with screws. It easily fits on the bottom of a standard door, most commonly used on wood doors. The L-shape is very similar. To install a new L-shaped sweep, just screw it into place. The staple-on sweep is very common. To remove it, you'll most likely need to pry it off to get under the glue. Once you have it removed, apply a layer of silicone to the top of the sweep, starting on one end and working towards the other. Staple the ends and the middle to ensure it stays in place on the bottom of the door. Slide-in sweeps are not as common as the others, but are easy to remove and install. It will fit into the grooves on either side of the door, usually steel doors. Just slide the old one off and slide the new one on. Snap-in sweeps are relatively common and can be found on many doors. These are easily removed and installed. The kerfs fit into grooves at the bottom of the door. Insert a staple on either side for good measure after installation to make sure it stays in place. When you've replaced your sweep, rehang the door the same way you took it off. Once you've got the hinges matched up, gently knock the pins back in place. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and visit us at allaboutdoors.com.